Hey guys, Six here back with another video. And so I just woke up, Zine. I was like, yo, my video finna be a hit. It's gonna be a hit. Man's gonna get bare views and everything, Zine. So I wake up, I go on YouTube, you know, as usual. So I wanna see how good my video is doing, you know. Well, I wanna know that our video is doing good. So I went to my channel, yeah. Man's go to the channel, I see 300 subscribers. I'm like, what, son? What? 300 subscribers? So I'm like, yo, these Jake Paulers must love my video, bro. So then I went to the videos tab, you know, cause I was like, damn, 3,500 views. So I was like, yo, bare things are going, Zine. So I'm expecting like bare likes on this video and bare good comments. So I opened that shit and I was like, I saw those dislikes, bro. I'm like, what did I do? So you know, I'm trying to help out myself a little bit. So I go like, and I like that shit, you know what I'm saying? Don't text me, baby. So I was like, I have to see what's going on. Baby, I said, don't text me. So then I was looking through the comments, bro, and it's just like bare people roasting me for no reason, fam. Like, this is not acceptable. This is not acceptable. They're just roasting me for no reason, and no one's by my side. Like, they're all just roasting me. Everybody hated my opinion except this one guy. This guy, he loved it. He said, Six Side, I love you, man. So I'm gonna give him a heart and I'm gonna say, love you too, bro, because that's how we do it. If someone shows me love, I'ma show love. So everyone hates this video. They're saying it's a trash channel. So this is how they wanted me to react to this video, guys. Let me show you how these guys wanted me to react to this video. Hey. Hey. It's lit. Hey. Ooh. Oh my god, this is the first time I've ever heard a song this good, bro. Oh shit. Hey, bro. It's shit. Yeah. Oh, England is his city, bros. England is his city. Oh shit. This song is so good, bro. I have to save it for later, bro. Like, I have to like wrap it up, put it in the microwave, let it chill because it's too good. Anyways, guys, we're gonna look at some other people because I love to hear what everyone else has to say about this because I heard it's super lit. Like, it's the best song. I'm telling you, this is the best song I've ever heard in my entire life, man. I'm gonna show you guys some other reactions of people actually faking their reaction. For example, this guy. Look at this.
What another video, guys, and guess what, guys, it's about to get crazy.
Alright, look at this dude.
Everybody get comfortable, trust me.
Look at this dude.
Y'all need to get comfortable.
He doesn't like it. He's forcing himself. Look at this man.
Hey. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, never double vote.
Like, what? This man is obviously faking it just so Jake Paul supporters like his video and he gets subscribers. Like, why are you being fake? Man's out here milking, fam. Milking.
Oh, we got the brand new, bro.
Who the... It's like, this is the first time this man is hearing a song. This man just know it. Guys, this man is just milking. It's a disgrace. People stooping this low, faking reactions just to get likes. Yeah, it is.
Always first. bars never last. Gotta stop it right there, guys.
This man knew it was shit. He had to stop it. He couldn't watch the entire video because he knew he couldn't do it. It was like, this is the cliff, this is him. The cliff is right here, and he was on his last. Like, if you listen to one more second of that song, this is the nigga falling off the freaking cliff, dude. He knew it was shit. Listen to this, man.
That was too late. I had to stop it. It was too. It was too much.
It was too much. He knew it was shit, bro. He knew.
Like I said, guys,
he knew.
download this script, you guys want to watch the
he knew it was shit.
That was Jake Paul and Team 10.
He's like, right now, he's traumatized. He can't believe he actually listened to that. His ears are hurting. Let's see this guy. Wait, before I start this, I'm gonna bet he's gonna be like, no, this song is lit, dude. It's not lit, bro. Stop. Stop. Please. Stop. Please. Don't do it. Please stop it.
Okay, the 26 all we saw that level?
Yeah, we saw London, bro. Who does that? Who does this? No one does that, bro. Like, what? Are you really falling for this shit? What? Nah. Bars. He said man's got bars. Man's got bars. Speaking about bars, roll that beat, nigga. Yeah. So I saw these mans, in the comment section talking about mans can't rap. Hear me now, is it? Yeah. My flow's hard and entertaining. I got the Jake Paulers in the comments, busting the cranium, yeah. They say only in a day, hey. They say he only did in a day, yeah. I'm not hating. His song is trash, but I'm not hating, yeah. My opinion got his brother looking like a minion. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you gonna say? Hey, look at all your faces. I'm running on the races. Yeah, I throw money to the air. It rained down in dollars. I don't know what I'm saying. I just made it up. I just made it up. I'm rapping on the stuff. 6 side on the 6 side. I got your bitch on my side. Ain't no telling. Use a bellin'. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hit the like button if you wanna go to heaven. Smash the like button if you know it's right. Oh my God. Oh my. Choo. Yeah, that was a sneeze. Oh my God, I'm killing this beat. I just made it up. I know what I'm saying. It's too easy for me. Hey, if you like the video, smash the like button. Subscribe now. Got church. I got merch. It's too easy. Oh my God. It's too easy. Yes, guys, so that was the rap. Hope you guys actually know it was just a freaking joke. Obviously, I can't rap as good as Jake Paul. Like, Jake Paul is on another level. Like, I'm here, Jake Paul is on another level. I can't rap like this man. Like, it's just not possible. His bars, his flow is just out of this world. No one can rap like him. He's the best rapper I've ever seen in all my life. He's better than Kendrick Lamar.